Alright, so for those that you're not really in tune with what I've been doing to my car, one of the more recent videos I uploaded was me putting on my new tire stickers. So here's the reasoning behind that, because a lot of people questioned it, and you know, of course, it's not a real mod, it's nothing to the engine, it's strictly appearance. So here's my reasoning. The reason why I went ahead and just bought them is, one, because I'm fucking sponsored by them. Like, why the fuck not, right? So I got a 30% discount with them for when I purchase stuff, or I guess realistically whenever anybody want to purchase something from them and I decide to give them the code. That's the main reason. No, that's the second reason. The main reason is that the motherfuckers look good, man. They fucking look good. It gave me 20 extra horsepower, you know. Not serious, by the way. Definitely not serious. But no, man, they fucking look good. Like, you can put those on damn near any fucking car, and that car will stand out. Just clean the car up, shine the tires using water-based fucking tire shine solution, and it makes any fucking car pop, man. You see it driving down the road and it's like, oh shit, that's cool. You see it stopped in traffic and it just catches your attention. It's like, oh fuck, all right, cool, that's dope, that's nice. And here in Colorado, you don't exactly see that a lot. So I figure, why not, man? I'll be one of the few to do it. It looks good. I like it. My wife actually likes it, and she hates car shit. So it's a win-win, man. I highly recommend y'all go ahead and get some. Just do it, man. Get the permanent rubber. Don't get the bullshit stick and peel or peel and stick. Spend the money. Get the nice ones. Get the real ones. Do it right. Look at the YouTube video and fucking just admire your car, man. It makes you want to drive it more. It makes you want to clean it more. It makes you want to fucking be seen, if anything. So that's why I did that, man. For those that were fucking wondering, this is for you. Quit sitting in the goddamn comment section watching. Damn, that was a nice Durango. Just fucking go do something. Be original, man. Be yourself. Be you. That's all I'm saying. That's it. Enjoy the clips of my goddamn exhaust. But do subscribe and like this video. Goddamn tire stickers, man. It's just beautiful.
Mm-hmm.